Hello, quick video from me. It's Denise from the Kitchen Garden Homestead. I've been on a trip, just a couple of days, down to the Midlands from Cumbria, and I didn't cover anything up, so quick rush into the greenhouse to see how everything's doing. I'll give you a bit of a run through of what I'm sowing. Here you can see these are Detroit number 2 beetroot. I've also sown some beetroot Detroit golden, they're not up yet. Rainbow chard, they're doing rather well and have survived despite -4 over the last couple of days. Cobra beans, Faraday beans, not up yet. Mystery onions, I did a Boxing Day sowing following along with the Potty Mouth Garden Club, and Steve from Greenside Up encouraged us all to do a Boxing Day sowing of onions. Well, 4 weeks after sowing, absolutely nothing. Being a bit of a cheapskate, I reused the compost to sow some microgreens, and up amongst the seedlings came a load of onions, mystery onions. I've got some greyhound cabbage. There you go. They're doing rather nicely, fine with the lower temperatures. Now I think the lower temperatures aren't necessarily, these are hardy, and the lower temperatures aren't going to kill them. It's just going to slow them down, I think. Wait for a bit of sunshine to come out, and this greenhouse is going to get up to 30 degrees. So they'll kind of stop, start. Right, so here we have my microgreens, and in amongst them you can see I've got the onions that popped up. I knew this would happen. I have no intention of eating these as tiny little microgreens. They look so lovely that I'm going to grow them on. Problem is, I haven't got a clue what they are. Can any of you lovely people, have any of you got any idea what these could be? I'm thinking a brassica of some kind, Kamatsuna maybe. If you do have any idea, let me know in the comments, please. Well, a winter sown lettuce there, rather nice. That's all from the potting shed. Bye from me, and bye from the broad beans.